What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to learn about Vigenère Ciphers. In this video, you are going to learn all about Vigenère Ciphers and Vigenère squares. Here are the basics. This is a Vigenère square. While necessarily not needed for the variation of Vigenère ciphers I am teaching, it will come up in later videos. So here it is. Here's just a referral. This is technically not needed for the one that we're using right now, but it will be needed later on. So just make sure to keep this in mind. And yeah. Here's how to format your cipher. What you need to do first is find only two things to find one thing. What that means is you must have a keyword in cipher, keyword in plaintext, or a plaintext in cipher. Then start with the first letter of the keyword above the first letter of the plaintext or ciphertext, and repeat the word as many times as necessary, if you even have a keyword, of course. Keep in mind, for this kind of Vigenère cipher, you must always have a keyword in plaintext to encrypt and a keyword in ciphertext to decrypt. So technically speaking, what I said previously was not useful, but it could be used later on. Now you should analyze the Vigenère cipher below to see how this works. You can ask me in the comment section if you have any questions. And here it is. Here's our keyword, plaintext, ciphertext. To encrypt a Vigenère cipher, you must always have a keyword and plaintext, then laid out like this. So here's our keyword, cat, and here's our plaintext, which is dog. Then refer to your cipher strip and turn the keyword and plaintext into numbers. Then add them together and see if you find a letter which is the result of your keyword and plaintext added. If your sum's above 25, then take your sum mod 26 and then turn that into a letter. So what this means is C, in this case, on our cipher strip is 2, and D, right here, is 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 equals F. So the ciphertext for this is F. Same thing for all the other ones. To decrypt a Vigenère cipher, you must always have a keyword and ciphertext, then laid out like this. Here's our keyword, C-A-T, cat, it's from earlier, and here's our ciphertext. As you can notice, it's actually the one from previously, right here. It was C and D, and we found out that C and D equals F, so it's actually the ciphertext here is the same thing, is what we're trying to encrypt on the encryption page. Then refer to your cipher strip and turn the keyword into number, keyword and cipher into numbers. Then subtract your ciphertext by your keyword and change the result into a letter. If the result is a negative number, then add 26 to your subtraction and change the result into a letter. That means is F minus C. F is 5 and C is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, and in case you didn't know, which I already said previously, 3 is D. So our plaintext, our first plaintext letter is D. That's gonna wrap up our video. So good job. You've now learned about the Vigenère square and how to encrypt and decrypt Vigenère ciphers. Make sure to refer to your cipher strip from the Caesar cipher video. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. And share this video with all your friends, because